I was graciously giving a Noise code. I just had to sell a kidney, but I'm still here. So in the onboarding, so at first it was like connect wallet, put in your username, and then it just gave me $10,000. And I'm like, actually, you can only have a first impression once. So why not record this and go through the flow together? Let's actually read this. Welcome to Noise, platform to trade trends. I don't understand the raccoon here, but I do like it's telling me what's going on. Trade peer attention as its own currency. Discover trends. I see some familiar logos here. Cool. Start trading. Use your funds to take positions on trends you believe in. Okay. Got it. But the first thing my eyes gravitated to was this. I don't understand the 2.4 M. Is that that must be like the volume? More explainers. What is mindshare? Oh, that's perfect. Mindshare is a number from 0 to 100 that shows how much people are talking about something. It updates every second. Shout out Kaito if that's a Kaito collab. If you think mindshare will increase, long it. If you think it'll decrease, short it. Understanding funding rates. If more people are on your side of the trade, you'll pay a fee. Okay. I'm assuming this raccoon is the mascot. If the market price reaches your liquidation price, you'll lose your collateral. Okay. So far, I really like the pop-ups, and when you're designing product, you have to write that copy, and you need to think through what are questions people might have. And I literally was like, what does this M mean? And then my questions were answered. So let's see. This is amazing, by the way, the fact that I just am given a balance and I don't need to bridge over. Should we gamble? Bro Bing is so good at talking about who's building on Mega ETH, and there's all of these apps that are coming out, and their testnet is out, Noise is out, so I'm gonna long mindshare. We're gonna be conservative. I don't want to spend it all in one place. This, I assume, is leverage. So that means I would be liquidated at 1.97 on 5x leverage. So this is time. And as I'm going through this, I realize that the mindshare numbers change here, but it might actually be helpful to know the time and also what the mindshare is. The other thing I'm thinking is I have no time chart. So it's literally going minute by minute, right? So like a time range that might be more helpful. Let's just go 200 at 2, and it looks like I would only be liquidated at 1.68, and it hasn't hit that in the last hour, so let's go. Place to trade. Okay. Did I do it? Because I can't click on portfolio and I don't know why. And I can't click on about and I don't know why. This is very slick so far. So it looks like I can go long or short on these current projects. Okay. Honestly, UX is amazing. I'm in. I fully understand what's going on. It answered my questions. I understand, like, this is quite intuitive. The only thing is timeframes here, showing mindshare over here, so my eyeballs don't have to keep going back and forth. This leaderboard, I don't know if it expands, but that'd be cool if you could read more about it. And then portfolio isn't working, about isn't working. So like for me to see my position, which is on Mega ETH, I would need to go back here, which currently says I have no open position. And now it also says I have no funds. So that's something to call out. But these are all just small tweaks. I just refreshed the screen. Let's see what else is going on here. Okay, I'm back. We are so back. And I'm already losing money. Just another day.